Here we have Reuben, real estate agent from Savannah, Georgia. Reuben, hey, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, brother.
Yeah, just wanted to dive into your experience working with us so far, and then we can talk about what's next. We've been working together about 2 months now, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So how's that been?
So it's been pretty good so far. You have a great team. Um, Dada is always on point when you need her to come and go through and just make sure your ads are actually performing and not you're not wasting money. So from somebody who has absolutely no idea from know absolutely nothing about social media marketing, I've been able to get a steady rate of leads to my CRM, which is KV Core, and then I've converted 3 out of those so far, and just me calling and speaking with them. So it definitely works. I even had a client seen one of my ads, and she's like, and she screenshotted it and sent it to me, and she's like, well, she was just giving me props on how nice it looked, which I had nothing to do with it. It was all data, and
Yeah,
I was just took full credit. So
she's the best. Yeah, she knows what she's doing for sure. Nice. So 3 deals so far. Awesome.
yeah, yeah.
Good stuff. And
And
were those
those
yeah,
price point was probably around it was like 250, 250. I think the other one was 275. And then I'm doing one right now that, let me see, I have to pull up. So this one was for 329. So it's
oh
been
nice.
it's been pretty good. Like the ads actually, like, it brings in a lot of leads. Everybody, if you as a real estate agent, this is a numbers game. Um, you're gonna get some good apples and some bad apples. It's up to you, if you want to succeed, to
Yeah.
pick through the batch and pick the best ones. But so far it's been great. Sam checks on me more than, even like, he calls me and I don't pick up. He calls me again. So it's awesome. They definitely got a great team going, and they're definitely providing value.
Hey, appreciate that, Ruben. And are you working with some additional clients, searching for homes or kind of valuing their house? Any sellers?
I think in the long run, those buyers are going to convert to sellers, just due to the market that I'm in. I'm in a military town, so a lot more people are coming and buying, and then 3 years later, when their contract is over, then they're looking to sell. So right now, I'm just filling my pipeline with all these new buyers, and then um, after they get their house, stay in touch, nurture, and then eventually lead to the selling end.
Absolutely. And we'll be adding on new ads for sellers as well. We think YouTube video ads are going to be the best way to get high quality sellers, which were really tough to come by running online ads before now. I think that's going to be
Yeah,
a huge addition to what we're doing. Yeah. Are
yeah.
are you working
So
with some
too.
more? Are you working with more people too in the pipeline that may be closing here in addition to those three?
Yeah, the most recent one is for like the 329,
Yeah.
329, 99, 8,
Nice.
329, 99, 8. Yeah, that's the most recent one I'm working with. And they're pretty cool. Just going through, we already have them on the contract. I think we close on the first. Let me see, let me check again. Yeah, June 1st, we close on the 1st. So that's good.
Nice.
And then I have a lot, and right now I'm just going through them myself, calling them. So I haven't really tapped into all the leads that are coming in. I think I'm averaging probably like 10 leads a day.
Wow.
Too.
That's
And
crazy.
then just like calling them myself. Sometimes I have my brother, he's also a real estate agent, and he logs into my KV Core, and we tag team that. So
Nice.
yeah, it's just a matter of just shifting to, the good and the bad.
Yeah, that's half the battle for sure. For sure. Well, geez, yeah. Thanks for updating us and sharing how it's been. We look forward to helping you grow from here over the rest of the year.
Yeah, awesome. I love it.